Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about bald head. Bald head is a rocking style. That's awesome. Bald heads can look super cool on girls too. Rocking a bald head definitely makes a statement. It's all about confidence and owning your look. A bald head can be a powerful statement of self expression and confidence. It's like saying, "This is me, take it or leave it." For sure, having a bald head can be liberating and show off your natural beauty. It's a bold move that sets you apart and shows your unique style. Plus, think of all the time you save not having to style your hair. I hope you like my video. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.